egg chickpea flour fried fritters, or egg fenugreek leaf chickpea flour fried fritters, or anda methi pakoda, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the evening snacks recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the fritter recipes, and one of the most unique of the egg recipes, and one of the most different of the fenugreek leaf recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the chickpea recipes, and one of the most different of the garbanzo beans recipes, and one of the most unique of the fried egg recipes. Today we are going to make egg fenugreek leaf chickpea flour fried fritters. We have taken around 100 grams of chickpea flour, break in an egg into the chickpea flour mixture, mix, mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mixing the egg. Put in 25 to 30 grams of fenugreek leaves. Mix in the fenugreek leaves along with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Pour in 100 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. Keep on mixing. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in salt to taste. Mix. mix in the salt and mix your spices and the turmeric powder together with the rest of the mixture. Pour in another 10 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. And now let the mixture rest. Heat the pan and pour in 50 to 60 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the egg chickpea flour batter into the oil and let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry further. Keep on frying by turning from side to side until they become a golden brown. Now the fritters can be taken off the oil after draining off the excess oil. Do this with the rest of the batter until the whole batter is completely fried. Put in the next batch. And repeat the procedure. This is the final. Egg, fenugreek leaf, chickpea flour fried fritters, or egg methi pakoda or anda methi pakoda. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fritter recipes and one of the most different of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried egg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fenugreek recipes and one of the most unusual of the chickpea recipes and one of the most tastiest of the Garbanzo Beans recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.